Most dog training programs today fail to engage your dog on a mental level and fail to develop his slasher intelligence. With enough mental stimulation, many problem behaviors simply melt away. I'll explain why below. Most dog training programs fail you and your dog because they never address the root cause of your dog's problem behavior. They just give you some cookie-cutter technique to stop biting, chewing, or barking, which is short-term, and its effectiveness at best, again, because it does not address the root cause of the problem. Most dog training programs use outdated force and dominance techniques. This is proven not to work by the latest research. My methods are force-free and gentle. They rely on the latest science and dog behavior research to create a strong bond between you and your dog and create positive emotions in your dog as opposed to fearful ones. They only reinforce the behaviors you want. Many other online dog training programs are created by phonies with no certifications. This is dangerous, since using the wrong techniques will lead to problem behaviors getting worse or even a bite in some cases. Avoid taking advice from any trainer who does not list his slasher professional certifications. The science behind my system of correcting bad behaviors is simple. You may have heard of the idea of neuroplasticity in the human brain. It's a well-established idea researched heavily at Harvard and other leading universities. In other words, our brains are like soft plastic, always capable of molding and changing to learn new habits and behaviors. Well, your dog's brain is the exact same. With the right mental stimulation and training that you will get in my program, your dog's brain will become more open and receptive to learning new information. Your dog will listen to you and better understand what you are telling him to do. When this happens, your dog's bad behaviors simply fade away as more desirable ones appear in their place. I have condensed all my knowledge of how to release the natural intelligence inside your dog into an online platform with over 21 games for improving his obedience and behavior. Plus, you get a huge library of information on how to change specific problem behaviors. If you hired a trainer to train your dog in person, you could expect to pay up to $350 per hour. To spend a full day's consulting would set you back a cool $3,300, which clients happily pay for. So how much would you expect to pay for a formula that will eliminate any bad behavior you are dealing with and create a loving, obedient, well-behaved, intelligent, happy dog? Well, it's less than you think. It's not $300. It's not $150. In fact, it's not even $75. As a special launch price, you can get my entire dog training system and the bonuses for $97, only $47. What a bargain. Access to all the material, all the videos, and my many years of training expertise for just $47. Think about what that means. Within minutes of accessing the members area, you will be able to turn any bad behavior around and start to bring out your dog's natural intelligence to stop and prevent any other bad behaviors. This is profound knowledge that's got to be worth a small fortune to you. And to think all I'm asking is $47. Accessing brain training for dogs right now is a 100% risk-free decision. You cannot lose here. You are going to get access to the exact blueprint I've used to correct behavior problems and boost the intelligence of thousands of dogs. You just follow what I've done with all these other dogs and get the same results. It really is as simple as that. Click the instant access button right now and start creating a new life with your dog today.